I am Chef Smith with Heaven's Healthy Kitchen, and this is the podcast, Speak from the Seat. And so this is part 2 of what are the vegetables that you did not like as a child. I spoke on okra being boiled. It's so gross. I spoke on Brussels sprouts being boiled once again. Not good. Cabbage being boiled. Not good. And yellow squash. It didn't matter if it was sauteed, roasted. I did not like yellow squash. So I would tell you guys that I can appreciate only sauteed. No, not sauteed. Fried okra, or if fried, roasted, and if you saute it, it's gotta have that golden brown crisp thing going on. I forget what you call that. Now, Brussels sprouts, only roasted will I eat Brussels sprouts, like in the oven, roasted. Cabbage, I can appreciate cabbage now, only sauteed or even roasted, but boiled, I don't want to know. The only vegetable that I would eat and is boiled is like corn or like broccoli steamed or whatever, not boiled. And yellow squash, I must say, we have a love-hate relationship. Yellow squash only if it's roasted, maybe sauteed and cut up into cubes, but not. So as a child, it was like people would just slice it, so it would be in circles. I hate it cut up, chopped up. Now I do appreciate zucchini. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a part 2 where I speak on vegetables and beans and things that I discovered after I got married. So that's all I got, y'all. Put in the comments, as you have gotten older, do you still not excuse me, do you still not like those vegetables, or you now like them, or vegetables that you liked and you don't like now. So as always, I am the people's chef. I'm your personal chef. I'm the healthy chef, and I am your chef.